We're out here in Las Vegas for SEMA, which is the biggest automotive industry show of the year, but it's not all business. We're gonna jump some trucks, hit some parties, maybe do a little drifting. We're chilling up here on the Retax truck deck, and we are at the Ford Raptor Roundup at the Vegas Off-Road Experience. Vaughn, Gittin Jr. invited us out here to shred some short course trucks, which is going to be a little interesting. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I've never jumped a truck 5 feet in the air before. That's going to be pretty cool.
What's changing religions on me right now?
What's so funny? Woo! Cannot wait to jump the shit out of this thing.
Off-road time, baby! Woo!
Please don't break my trucks, okay? All right, all right. I predict that something's gonna break.
Dude, oh my God. These things are unbelievable. Oh man, it's sick. It is so sick.
Can't see anything! Dude, off-road is the best. Oh man, we need more jumps and drifting. That was so
Holy
awesome.
shit, man.
Off-road racing! That was a blast.
Oh, dude.
All right, that is the Vegas Off-Road Experience. Thanks to Vaughn Gittin Jr. for inviting us out here. We had an absolute blast. We saw some sick trucks, and we got to drive some even sicker Ford trucks. I would definitely recommend coming out here and shredding this place. This is one of the coolest experiences I've had outside of drifting. All right, we're at Gymkhana Six. We're at Gymkhana 6. We're going to try to give you a sneak peek. Here on Wednesdays, their practice day on this brand new asphalt. This place is looking pretty sick. We're here at GRC with my homie Bucky Lasek, driver in this trusty Subaru here. These guys absolutely kill it out on the track, and I am super jealous of the amount of fun that they are allowed to have in these things.
It's a good mix between what I'm used to tarmac and what he's used to drifting, so hopefully we'll get you in the car more. The motor's a 2-liter. It's putting out close to 600 horsepower. It does 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds.
1.9 seconds, 0 to 60. That's so insane,
It's
man.
trippy, man. Sit there with the gas floored, launch control on, handbrake, let the button go, and just drop the clutch, and it's just like sweetness.
So SEMA's a ton of work, but whenever we're done with our meetings and everything, we like to just walk around and check out all the sick cars that SEMA has on display. Sometimes at SEMA, I get to drive with my bros.
Let's do it, dude.
Woo! Should I do a burnout right now? All right, I'm going.
Tuerck, what are you doing?
I'm just using Squad Up to try to get some people to this party.
Hell yes.
And Hans. And Hans.
Man, this guy's late.
Squad Up totally worked out. We got a raging party, bunch of good music, bunch of great friends. I'm gonna get drunk and go to sleep somewhere. We're here at the Get Nuts Lab, and these are the guys that are really holding it down in the Vegas drift scene, and other ones are always having a blast, so let's see what they're up to. Hey, this is Forrest Wang, my fellow Formula D competitor. He finished up the season as a privateer, absolutely killed it, sitting on a podium in Irwindale. This is his shop and his sick Formula D 2JZ powered car, and what do you got in store for us, dude?
Whatever the f you want.
All right, let's do it.
Over here we got our Get Nuts playground. Pick any line you want. There's a few, small, but it's enough to throw down.
Dude.
We share this lot with a few different businesses here, and one of them happens to be a haunted house maker, and they kind of leave their haunted shit everywhere, which sucks, but we kind of utilize it as part of the track. You know, you can dip your nose under that trailer there. It's pretty cool.
Right on.
Just don't get
Right
the window
on.
caught up.
Inside clipping point on a freaking truck. The best little, like, I don't know, f around setup, you know? Especially to have right outside your shop. The S13 junkyard back here.
Yeah, this is my favorite one right here.
This thing is absolutely, this is like worse than mine back home, dude.
It's safety wires, don't worry.
This thing's looking a little too legit to be a missile car right now. I mean, it's gonna get turned. This hood is sweet, though. All right, first victim of the day. Forrest is gonna let me shred his personal street car. That sounds like a good idea.
All right. Stock S14 SR. Still retains heat and AC. It's on Stance XR Pro Comp coils. It's got our knuckle kit, welded diff. Puts about 260 down to the wheels. It's good enough to get the job done. This is a 1JZ VVTi with a Garrett GTX 3071 on it. Stock internals on the 1J, but it's pushing 510 at the wheels.
Woo! Time to get nuts, dude. This place is sick, dude. So much better than my driveway. Another cool thing about Las Vegas is there's just a lot of different motorsports. We got my buddy Nick Apex here, who's a professional stunt rider. We're just gonna go shred for a slot and see what we can mix up.
Let's break something.
We will break something. That scared the shit out of you.
We're spraying down the lot with water. And a lot of these missile cars that we have stock KA motors, so they're really slow in the dry, but in the wet, it feels like, 1,000 horsepower.
In so many words, it's gonna let us have a shitload more fun.
Yeah.
All right, thanks Forrest for having us out, man. We had an absolute blast watching your missile cars and your absolutely sick street cars as well. You guys really know how to hold this place down and use every square inch of what you got, man. Let's wrap it up with all the homies, dude. Let's go drifting.
I sit and wonder why every time that I'm thinking of you. What kind of fool am I? Why do I even try? But I still do. I don't mind if you let me down. I don't mind, so stick around. Happy loving, baby. Happy love is mine. Happy loving gets me every time. Happy loving, baby. Happy loving's mine. Happy loving gets me every time. I don't mind if you let me down. I don't mind, so stick around. Happy loving, baby. Happy love is mine. Happy loving gets me every time. Happy loving, baby. Happy loving's mine. Happy loving gets me every time.
Nailed it.
What did you do? I hit the barriers and it shot me into the wall, and that K-rail was sticking overlapped out, and it just grabbed the wheel and stopped.
We got this nice little front end set up.
Might need it.
Remember when you were worried about me burning the clutch?
Oh no.
Tell him you're sorry for turking his car.
Sorry for turking it, dude. Why am I so good at breaking shit? All right, that's how you Tuerck Las Vegas. Hope you guys had as much fun watching this episode as I did actually doing this episode. Catch you next time. Ha ha ha!